Welcome to another episode of the Tech Experience. I am your host, James Setzer, and here at the Tech Experience, our focus is to teach you how to become better at technology. We have another jam-packed episode on today, so stay tuned as we jump into the demo. All right, so there's a lot of features that you can utilize within OneDrive, but we will only touch on a few of those features today. Starting with the ability to collaborate, right? So that's the bread and butter of OneDrive. You're able to collaborate with others seamlessly. So you can simply do that by clicking Files, and then whether you want to share an individual file or a folder, the process is pretty much the same. So you click on the three dots beside the file that you want to share, you click Share, and then you can simply type in the email address of the person or of the group that you would like to share this file or folder with. And it's really that simple. Now, if you want to just share or copy the link directly and send it to someone, you're able to do that. So you hit copy here, and you can see that the link is copied, and then you can simply share it in whichever fashion you see fit. Now, if we go back in here to the sharing option, you can also choose the type of access that you would like the people that you're sharing with to have. So you do have that option. And then also, the same is true if you're sharing a shareable link. You can um, you can limit the access depending on what makes sense for your particular situation. And then also you can set passwords, you can set a date in which they're able to access it, you can block downloads. So you have a lot of features here that you can take advantage of when it comes to collaboration. All right. So the next thing that I want to quickly touch on is, of course, you have the ability to integrate with other Microsoft products, even some non-Microsoft products. You have the ability to integrate with those as well. But as far as seamless integration goes, Microsoft products definitely give you an edge because it's all in-house, so that it only makes sense that the integration would be seamless. So if you're using things or applications such as SharePoint, Teams, or Outlook, then you will have a seamless experience, and the integration is just wonderful. It just works, right? All right. The next thing that I want to quickly point out is that you do have the option to create an online document directly from OneDrive. So you simply click the plus sign or the plus icon in the top right hand corner. And then at the bottom of the screen there, you can see that you can create a Word document or you can create a PowerPoint presentation. So when I click that, you'll see that I don't have a Microsoft 365 account right now associated with this device. But if you did have one associated with your device, then it would bring you to a Word document and you would be able to start working directly in that document with other people. So it just gives you that real time collaboration that is very, very beneficial, especially in today's environment when projects are a big thing, right? Collaboration is something that takes place consistently on a daily basis. So that may be something useful for your particular situation. All right. The next thing that I want to mention is that you have the ability to create a pin for this application. So anytime you or someone tries to open this application, it will require a pin to open and access the OneDrive application. So you do that by clicking me in the bottom right hand corner. You go to settings, and then you scroll down, and you can see there you have the ability to lock the app. So you click on app lock, and you simply set the 6-digit pin, and then it will be secure and will require
that PIN number every time you open the application, which is very cool, especially if you're using a shared device and you have a lot of sensitive information that others don't need to see. This can be something that comes in handy for sure. All right, so exit out of there, go back here. Um, the next thing that I'll mention is you do have the ability to associate multiple accounts with OneDrive. So you simply do that by clicking the icon in the top left, and you can just go to add account, and then you can enter the information there. So you enter your email or phone number associated with your account if you have an existing account. And then, of course, you'll be prompted to enter the password, and then voila, you will have multiple accounts associated with your OneDrive application. Now, if you don't have um, an account already with OneDrive or with Microsoft, then you can click the bottom there, no account, create one, and it will walk you through the steps on creating an account for OneDrive. So again, very simple and straightforward, but you do have that option to do that as well. All right. I will mention that OneDrive is a cloud-based application, so as long as you have access to the internet, then you can access your files from anywhere. You do have the option to make files viewable offline, so you simply click the three dots beside the file, and then from here you can see there's an option that says make available offline, so you simply tap that, and then now you're able to access. The other thing that I'll mention is that you do have the option to see which files have been shared with you directly by clicking on the shared icon in the bottom center of the screen there. You click on the icon and you can simply see what has been shared with you. You also have that option with shared libraries. So you click on libraries and you can see if anything has been shared with you via Microsoft Teams or SharePoint. You will be able to see those shared libraries here, which is a very neat and useful feature to have if it makes sense for your particular situation. All right, the last thing that I'll quickly mention is that you do have the ability to take advantage of file versioning and recovery within OneDrive. So if you um, need to keep track of different versions because there's a lot of collaboration taking place, you can do that.
All right. That is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, there's so many features that you can take advantage of by utilizing this wonderful application. So definitely take advantage of the features that make sense for your particular situation. All right, with that being said, be sure to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click the link in our description if you want to submit a question about a topic or a general question about anything related to technology. All right, with that being said, I hope you all have a blessed day.